Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and I have an Erin Condren unboxing for you. Before I get into what's in here, as some of you who have ordered from Erin Condren before may know, they have taken to shipping with DHL. They used to use FedEx, and FedEx would dispatch, and probably about 3, 5, very rarely more than 6 days later, you would have the FedEx man or woman on your doorstep with your package. Since this switched to DHL, for the same price I might add, everything goes via Germany and it's just ridiculous. So it has taken a little bit over 2 weeks to get to me. Now, I know 2 weeks from the States to the UK, well hey, that's sometimes what it takes. But I think the issue is that it's gone backwards from what it was before, which is rather frustrating. The other thing is that with the customs declaration, with FedEx, it was a bit hit and miss with customs. Now, I was expecting to have customs on this, but because they've only listed the meal planner that I ordered, it's not been picked up. So, you know, hooray. But yeah, there's a little bit of me that I'm less inclined to order from them at the moment because of the length of time it takes to get here. That being said, let's get in, shall we, and see what we've got. So, as ever, when you open up an Erin Condren parcel, there's usually a sticker and a postcard. I like to keep those for sending out happy mail. And then we have, just dig in, so that is my meal planner. And I got, oh, it's boxes and boxes, because I got the seasonal surprise box. Now, from reading around on some of the Facebook groups, this seems to have been quite a mixed reception to this one, but I'm going to start with the meal planner because I'm quite intrigued to see this. I had a little bit of credit, you see, so I thought I would treat myself to this as well. So this is one of the Petite planners, and oh my gosh, that is really clashing, isn't it? Let's just put that to one side just for a moment. And so it's kind of the same size as the hardback notebook, I think. Might be a little bit wider, not sure. And admittedly, I'm not keen on the actual cover, but I would cover that anyway or slip it in a traveller's notebook. And so inside you go straight into some weekly planning pages. And so you've got breakfast, lunch and dinner. Oh, that drives me nuts. It goes Sunday through Saturday. But that makes no sense because I would turn that to read it like that. Which means that my week now goes Saturday to Sunday. It goes back, oh no. No, that just doesn't make sense to me. Because if you, you list it, well, I'm completely befuddled by that. And yes, I did look at the pictures before I ordered it, but even so, befuddlement. Now you've got a shopping list and a meal prep strategy. I never knew that I needed a strategy for meal prep, but apparently I do. Whether that is, you know, things that you can do at the weekend or whatever, don't know. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, oh no, 28. 28 of those. I bet it tells me that on the back, doesn't it? No, it doesn't tell me that. Okay, and then we get into dinner party meal plans. So there's a couple of those. There's like drinks, appetisers, main dishes, side, desserts, guest name, requests, allergies, what they're bringing. Again, shopping list and cooking schedule. Quite like that bit. So we've got a few pages for that. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a price tracker. Which is interesting because this isn't really something that I do, tracking prices of things. Recipe logs, we've got 4, 8, 12, 13, 14 spaces for recipes. Okay, it's 2 weeks worth. And then we've got a conversion chart, which is actually quite nice because I've been cooking a lot in American terminology lately, so that is actually quite useful for me. And then back is a sheet of stickers, always welcome, and they're like this. Okay, so we have stickers with it as well. So yeah, that's the meal planner. I have to say that has completely thrown me. because I just wouldn't look at it that way. Because as well, if I was going to turn it like that to look at, yeah, no. But, you know, it's something to give it, to have a play with, have a try, and yeah, I'm just going to experiment with it really. So that's the meal planner. Right, let's open up the seasonal box, shall we? So this, as I say, has had some quite mixed reception. It seems to be a bit Marmite, this one. Now, let's have a look inside. Okay. Right. First thing I'm noticing is the coating and the actual quality of the box is much better. Okay, it's a little thing, but when it's advertised as being a reversible box, you know, you want something that's going to hold up. Okay, so we have got, it says chock full of hand-picked items that celebrate the beauty of the spring seasons, from exclusives to sneak peeks. Okay, and let's have a look. So we've got, there is actually the thing which tells you what's inside. I'm not going to look too closely at that because I want to dig in. Now, I can't remember what the value of this was supposed to be. Let's have a look. I have a feeling it's only like $65 it's supposed to be for. Well, there's not a lot in there, is there? Normally these are... Oh! Oh. I thought... Okay. Wow, you're getting genuine reactions going on here. So the first thing I've picked up is this pencil case. Now I did look at the sneak peeks because I like to peek, and I actually genuinely thought this was an actual embroidered pencil case. It isn't. It's a coated, printed one. Yeah. And the zip doesn't even open. Well, that's good, isn't it? That's a good start. Oh, we're in. Right, what have we got? We've got 2 pencils inside. One says hello lovely. Well, that's me. The other one says live in full bloom. Right. And we have a coupon for 25% off a pack of markers, highlighters and pencils. Right. Well, I'm not going to order a pack of pencils, really, from, let's face it. This is lined inside. It's got an Erin Condren tag. Yeah. I'm actually really quite disappointed in that because I genuinely thought it was an actual denim. Okay. We then have a couple of cards, which are little cards. So I've got You're One of a Kind with a seal and an envelope, and this one which has got gold accents. It's got kind of the embroidery theme, which is quite pretty. We have, these are a sneak peek. This is 3 adhesive patches. So there's a bird, a flower, and I think it says hello lovely. Let's have a look. So it suggests on the back that you might put it on the cover, which has come with it, which is a bit strange because, right, I don't get this now, because it says on here that the cover is exclusive but the adhesive patches are a sneak peek. So is that cover different to that cover? Don't get it. No, it's not. Because if that's an exclusive cover, why would you have an item which shows it in use? They must be releasing this cover, but perhaps in a different format or something. Because otherwise you wouldn't put these, surely. I'm very confused, can you tell? Okay, so adhesive patches, and how do they stick on? Right, they've just got a peely back. Oh, they're nice. But I really thought that this was going to be the embroidered thing. So yeah, so I have a cover. It has the metallic, which is quite pretty, the foiling on that. Quite like that. Yeah. That's quite pretty. Again, it's the denim effect. And then I have a reusable bag. Now I'm sure these were actually a freebie recently with an order. So we have a reusable bag and they're painted petals. It's a bag. I wouldn't say it's particularly great quality, I have to say. And that obviously then rolls up and it's got a little, what's the word I want? Elastic band there. And then there is two sheets of stickers. So let's have a look. So these are exclusive to the box as well. Now those are pretty. Now I do like those. Okay, except that I'll tell you what, if this is meant to be exclusive, I'll bet these are going to turn up in a different format somewhere. So, I mean, come on, it's rainbows, it's birds, it's going to make me happy. So I do like those. Those are very, very lovely. Bring you in. There we go. And we've got those as well. Now, let's address this, because I'll be honest with you, there is no way, in my opinion, that that was worth the price of what they have actually said that it is. I've had a few of the Erin Condren surprise boxes, and the last one in winter I was actually really pleased with. It had a petite planner in it, you know, it was lovely actually. It was really, really good. And it had a calendar in it. Obviously you take a risk when you order something like this because you don't know what's inside. Although I had looked at the sneak peeks, and obviously that's where my rather disappointment has come with this, because I do like embroidered things, I think they're very nice. But the printed effect of it, and the fact that that zip was jamming and isn't, yeah, it's got, yeah, it's jamming there, you see, it's, yeah, it's not great, that zip. Makes me a bit, meh. So, and last year when they first did their seasonal surprise box and they started it, there was things like a $25 coupon in there. Now, not everyone's necessarily going to use that because of having to pay shipping and things, but I bet a lot of people did, and I just feel that this one has been a bit too, I mean, there's what? They're listing that as 7 items. Yeah. And actually they're listing the cards as 2 separate items. Oh no, they're not, sorry, I'm misseeing that. I don't know, it's proper hit and miss with these, isn't it? Because what do? Do you order it on the basis that if you miss something, you're going to be upset or disappointed? Because upset's a bit strong. Or do you not order it and think, well, at least I know that I can buy something with that money for definite that I know that I'll want? It's a bit tricky. What do you think? What do you think to the surprise boxes? Have you ever ordered one? What do you think to this one? I'd be intrigued to know. And I'm going to shut up now and go and make a brew, because that will, and just kind of, yeah, because I'm just wittering now, because can you tell that actually I'm pretty disappointed with it. You win some, you lose some. Take care, lovely people, and I shall speak to you again soon. Bye for now.